You've been learning data analytics, you've been learning Excel, Power BI, and even Python. But whenever you go to LinkedIn Jobs or Jobberman or even Google Jobs and search for data analytics jobs, you will see them, but then you see 5 years of experience, even PhD, and sometimes you even see blood sacrifice as requirement for these jobs. But do you know there are well-paying jobs, data analytics jobs in Nigeria, in Africa, and even all over the world, but they are hiding under different names. Yes, they are data analyst roles, but you won't see them coming out as data analyst. And that is what we're going to talk about today. In today's video, I'm going to break down 5 data related roles. These roles don't scream data analyst, but if you're a data analyst, you have the skills to take up these roles. Hi guys, if you are new in this channel, my name is Rebecca Ike. I'm a data analyst, also a data analyst instructor, and I do YouTube or content creation just as a part-time thing. Okay, and in this video I give out tutorials on data analytics, I give out live sections on different tools of data analytics, and also give out videos just like this that will help you get a job as a data analyst and also move your data analyst career from one level to the other. So if you're interested in anything like this, please click on the subscribe button. Also, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So with that being said, let's jump right into today's video. First up is reporting analyst. This sounds boring, I know, but trust me, this role is amazing. You only have to use Excel or Power BI to generate business reports. No deep modeling needed or even machine learning. Most companies, banks, etc. need people to prepare dashboards for them weekly. They pay around 200 to 500k. That's in Naira, depending on the company. Skills needed is just mostly Excel or Power BI and then attention to details. Last tip, if you want to search for these job roles, don't type data analyst. Type business reporting, Excel reporting, and operational reporting. So when you see job titles like business reporting, Excel reporting, and operational reporting, know that a data analyst can as well do these things, so you can apply for these jobs. Okay, so the second is M&E officer or data officer, and this job is usually seen in NGOs or health related organizations. So M&E means monitoring and evaluation. So monitoring and evaluation officer or data officer. So when you see a job role titled this way, a data analyst can definitely do them. And I mentioned that these job titles are usually needed by NGOs or health related organizations. So they collect data, they clean data and analyze data from this field. Yes, it's data analysis, right? But just in a social impact or in a social field. So many international NGOs like WHO, they look for these roles. They look for people that can occupy these roles, and they pay from 400 to like 1 million monthly depending on the company. The skills needed is Excel, data cleaning, SPSS, or Power BI. Okay, so whenever you come across M&E officer or a data officer, don't run away from it. It's something you can do. It's just data analysis in a different setting, right? In the social impact setting. The next up, that's the third role, is data entry with impact. Now, before you scroll past this video, or before you scroll past this particular one, hear me out first. Most companies are not used to data analyst or the analyst part of data. Okay, they are not used to it. In their head, people that do data entry analyze data, they give report of the data. Do you get? So in their job requirement or job role, they will not include an analyst there. They will just put data entry. So whenever you see a data entry the data entry role, you can also apply for it as a data analyst. So you are going to be using Excel most of the time. You are going to be doing a lot of data entry and data cleaning. You're going to also spot trends, and this type of job don't usually require in-depth analysis Basically, this kind of job is also good for beginner data analysts. It doesn't require in-depth analysis or anything that has to do with machine learning or building models or all that stuff. It doesn't require them. Okay, it's just simple entry data, clean the data, just analyzing it to just develop trends and all that. Now, guys, number 4 is marketing analyst. If you are still watching this video, that means you are enjoying it. Please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you think in the comment section. So this marketing analyst can also be called customer insights analyst. This job role is for people that like to understand customers and why they do what they do. You will use sales data, social media insights, maybe even surveys to guide business decisions. You're going to be using tools like Excel, Power BI, Google Sheets, and sometimes basic SQL. So industries that need these data analysts are usually e-commerce, fintech, and then retail brands. Okay. So whenever you see marketing analyst or customer insight analyst, do not run away. Don't run away. Don't scroll. Apply. Now, finally, the 5th is operation analyst or business support officer. So guys, before I talk about this role, I just want to mention to you guys that my data analytics class, master class, that runs for 3 months, that is going to handle Excel, Power BI, and SQL, is starting July this month, 28th of this month. So if you want to strengthen your data analytics skills, or you know someone who wants to learn data analytics, or you want to learn data analytics, please, you have to apply for this masterclass. I'm going to put in my the registration group link to the description below. So just click on it, join the group, and then let me know. It just goes for a sum of $80, but I'm running a discount for $60 for those in Nigeria. 120,000, but is on a discount for 90,000. So, and this discount ends 10th of July. Okay, so if you want to learn data analysis, or you have someone who wants to learn, please click on the link in my description, join the registration class, and then let's begin. So let's go back to what we came here for. This role, operation analyst or business support officer, they exist in banks, startups, and logistic companies. So you'll be managing processes, making reports, and tracking KPIs. So you do things like how to reduce delivery time, how complaints came in last week, like trying to find out how many complaints came in last week. That's analysis, right? That's basically analysis. Okay. The tools you're going to be using is Excel, Power BI, and you'll be creating basic dashboard. The next time you're on LinkedIn or you see any job availability or any job advert, and you're not seeing just data analyst, but you're seeing any of these job roles I listed here, please apply to them, because as a data analyst, you have the skill to do them. You know that just few years back, that's 2019, data analyst became a mainstream role. But before then, they exist, okay? Just that companies do not really call them data analysts. They call them variety of things. They are mixed into different things, okay? And those roles too exist. So you should know that those roles too exist. Advantage of them, okay? So I hope this video was helpful. I want to know what you think in the comment section, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. All right, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.